Okay, so we're just looking at one of our toppers here today. This is a 6-footer, so 1800 cutting width, 6 feet in the old money. And so that's the actual cutting. So it's a little bit wider than that. It's sort of like 1900 wide and same sort of similar length. Obviously it's working on a central point gearbox, what they call a simple sort of slasher topper mower. With a spinning blade, which I'll show you in a minute. So we've got a simple sort of design. We've got a fold in the back here in the step to add strength in there with a secondary underlying stiffener. Then it's an angled 5-degree angle in the body, which just means the water runs off. We've got some drain holes in here. You've got a stiffener in the middle with double supporting underneath, and then the same angle running down to the front. So big 75 horsepower gearbox, oil bath, got a drain plug in it and a little filler point level just to check the oil, 4 big 20mm bolts so it doesn't go anywhere, and the new strop that we're using, this web sling, which just stops the paint getting knocked off. We were using chains, we've gone to a web sling, just stops the paint getting knocked off, and just easy transport, etc. So working very nicely. Headstock with our category 2 pins and a lynch pin supplied, and you've got this 200mm offset on your tractor, so you can offset the thing 200mm as standard, and then if you want to offset it more using it permanently, we can do that. We can send it out. There's different holes in the gearbox, so we can offset that 5 degrees to allow it to work permanently and not put strain on the PTO shaft. Adjustable skidders down the side, and so they're 25 to 125mm, or in the old money 1 inch to 5 inch adjustment. Front to rear double bolted. Just you're getting to a sort of a bigger lifestyle type unit here, or small farm. Skidders on the bottom, 10mm, 50x10, and we can put anti-scalping bars on the bottom if it's a problem for you. Some people carry the topper on the 3-point linkage, some people just sit it on the bottom. So just having a look here underneath, we've got one up in the air, so the blades are spinning, and there's also a stop in them. So it stops them, if they do hit a rock, from getting jammed and becoming unbalanced. So that's quite important. But we just buy these in, ready available, Kaitai to Invercargill. The blades are, and you've got a wear collar in there and a UNF bolt holding them in place. Quite simple, quite common around the world. So there's the bolt holes there where this is bolted in, and then you can see the secondary hole here, that if you wanted to, we can set the whole machine up on the offset from day one, or you can do it yourself if you've got the ability to lift it up and get underneath it safely, of course. So here's your double stiffener in there, just showing you another 5mm, so it's a 5mm skin in there, and then 5mm stiffener there. And then we've got these double thickness in the front of them. And so if you do hit anything, you're not going to bend anything. We've got the bolts welded in, so it saves them falling out. And all in all, a nice topper. We've done well, sold a lot of them, very happy with them. Customers are happy with them. So it comes with a nice big PTO shaft. That's a 90 horsepower PTO shaft, so nice big UJs, so should last. We grease them up before they come out, so hopefully, and we can cut to size if required, but we're here to do as much as we can. So 6 foot, very popular. 5 foot, very popular. 4 foot would be the biggest seller for us on the lifestyle blocks, and then we do 7 foot, all in this single gearbox configuration. Okay, thank you, over and out.